guys, get ready with me to get a spray tan from my absolute favorite place, Sugar & Bronze. So the first thing I did was I made sure to shower to wash off any lasting perfumes or lotions or oils that could be on my body, shave my legs, exfoliate, fully wash off my face. I'll be wearing this oversized sweatshirt that I don't really care about just in case I get any excess tan on that, even though the tan will wash off. If you can't tell by my face, this is much needed and I'm so excited. Let's go. Today we're at the Midtown East location. Yes. Honestly, that was just a super easy experience. My sprayer made me feel totally comfortable. She just tells me where to stand, what positions to be in. So easy. I'm literally so obsessed with the level 3. Okay, so it's now 1 p.m., which is 3 hours after I got my spray tan. And the best part about Sugar & Bronze is that their formula, which is the Flex Express, fully develops after 3 hours, so you can take a shower. You just can't use soap. Just rinse off the makeup layer, which is the bronzy on my face. Really have to wipe off that makeup layer. So I'm gonna go shower and I'll keep you guys posted on how my tan develops. This is what it looks like fresh out the shower. I have to wait 5 more hours to see how my tan's finally gonna look, but she's already looking bronze. It's now a day later and I am obsessed with how my tan looks. She did it so even, totally splotch free. Sugar & Bronze will always be my go-to tan spot.